Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Datsun 260Z and this is by Majorette and this is from their vintage series, but this is from their semi-premium series. And so yeah, I bought this for 380 and the MRP is 399. So don't buy it for more than MRP. So let's unbox this. Okay. So here is the card art. It looks really neat. So let me put this aside and let's get to the casting now. Again, a useless piece here. So that might damage the paint. I don't know why they put that there. Okay. So out of the box, the casting actually looks really nice. I mean, maybe except for these cuff marks here because it is getting, in contact with the blister and yeah, that happens. So yeah, it has rear view mirrors here. It looks really nice. It has wiper detailing and it has acrylic headlights. It looks awesome and you can see the Datsun logo here. It looks really great. And the livery also looks really nice. The rims on this one, it is unique to this particular car. Maybe they're using it very often, but it really suits well for this particular casting. And you can see, I'm hoping this is a fuel filler cap. So yeah, I think so. I mean, you can see the Datsun 240Z, naming also here, name badge. And it has tail light details as well. It looks really good. And so the bumpers on this one, these are made of plastic, both front and rear bumpers. So the body is fully metal, chassis is plastic, the bumpers are plastic, wheels are plastic, and yeah, it has good interior detailing to it as well. Let me open the doors here. Okay, this is a right hand drive. The door actually opens really wide compared to the other casting, so I'm able to showcase it in this way. This looks really, even the, you can see the speedometer details and everything here. That is really great. You can see this from this angle also. It looks really good. They did this really well. And let's do a suspension test. Yeah, it does have suspension. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 36 grams, not bad at all. Okay, let's roll this car now. Okay, that actually rolls absolutely really well. I was not expecting that. If you guys never watched Wang and Midnight, I mean, I started that and then I stopped at, like maybe one or two episodes because it had only like 26 episodes. So I was afraid that I might finish it in one day. So I stopped watching right after that. So it started off really well. So I suggest you guys to watch that. If you guys not able to, it is not available in any official source as far as I know. We need to see in torrent or some other sites like that only. But yeah, just check that out. I did unbox the Devil Z from Manga and Midnight, I think a year back. Watch that video also before you start watching that anime. Okay, with that said, let's rate this casting. I mean, I seriously don't know why I need to reduce a point here. So it is a 10 out of 10 casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.